Table assembly instructions for the Inside, Quattro, and World Cup S tables. Unlatch the anti-tilting device and unfold the automatic legs. Then lock the angle brace. Attach brackets to legs with a bolt, 2 washers, and nut, leaving slack to slide T-bar in. Slide T-bar into brackets and place a bolt and washer through the holes. Add another washer and nut, then tighten, making sure not to over-tighten. With another person, carefully flip the table halves right side up. Then roll each half flush to attach the net post. Unscrew the tube from the post frame. Twist off the cap and take out the threading cylinder. Thread the cylinder into the net and slide into the tube. Push cap back on and slide the tube into the post frame while adjusting the height leveler into the bottom of the tube. Attach net set to the table and enjoy!
Hi, I'm Mark with Hey Needle. For years, table tennis has been bringing people together. Whether it's a competitive game amongst friends or a casual one with family, nothing is better than a game of ping pong. The JOOLA USA Inside Table Tennis Table is one of the best in the sport, so let's take a look. This table is made with a durable composite engineered material and is at the standard height for consistent play. In addition to the 5/8 inch composite top, the table sits on 1.5 inch diameter powder-coated steel legs that fold up automatically for ease of storage and 8 wheels for easy mobility. It also includes a regulation height net and post set that is quick and easy to install, as well as an optional 2 standard paddles with 2 white balls and 1 orange ball. Everything you need to get your game going. It also features dual safety locking devices, keeping it from folding unexpectedly, and also keeps it locked in place. Plus, you can fold one side up and use it as a practice table, or separate to use as 2 freestanding multi-use tables. The JOOLA USA Inside Table Tennis Table is from one of the best companies in the sport and will be a welcome addition to the game room in your home. Find it at heyneedle.com.